Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as I know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Yeah, I gonna relax. You don't see me. Why this this morning? I'm supposed to relax my brain. Then I come out today to let Enogie know that I'm still waiting for that useless record. Where say record me? Mo Avielele. Ekeni me mana record where? Ekeni me mana record with my affair line. If it was inside my room. If me affair ni matsa or you refer erere. Abioge tafe. Hello. Okay, ta. Emi ni mata ne no ge win record ma. Wo we mia. Hi. Alpha. Good evening. Call you later, okay? I'm on live video. We are so a recording, we are waiting for recording. Why do you rest? Why there was an egbena where there you are sending all those best you. Larry single mother we are Jimmy climb. Why Jimmy climb? We have a message to me. My message to Avielele. What a message to Avielele level pakibu where because Otaro or no when we sigma we war. Me no sigma me go tata webu. You understand? Me where the smoke. I the reason before I ball out on live video. Me tell the live video you do aroro. She understand the single mother. I saw the video, the useless video you say you drink. Or even a video concerning whatever you said there go there. I was dead useless. You see this live video as a teen, eh? I'll say baby ya fehi. Anything no da we wa we. I'll say baby ya fehi. We no ge kagina ni mene. La wo go. E video ne no ge naka fight a battle me la wo mwe la dia. U where ye Frankie ga tie me. Asha where ye Frankie where. Eri view mo eri Frankie ga take many things down me. And then Frankie me lele kuna. My dear, let me tell you something. Frank was my best friend before I entered this live video as a thing. I know Frank before all of you guys that is watching me. I know Frank before all the watcher why I can't block made they go that place go they watch me. I know Frank before anybody why I can't say I want to make friend with for social media. Then you can't forget what the brick problem between me and Frank. You forget. May I play the video? What the brick problem between me and Frank? I'm the one that caused the problem, you know that? Now me message to Frank based on the video Frank did. The Frank in my message on my message go me on my tear bomb on my way anything driving but now me ball out for live video. I ball out for live video. It taught Frank. Said Frank say where they go say no good. Say where you are going to, it's not good. Reverse back. Reverse back. If Frankie want wow, you reverse back. Oh yeah, then you mave Frankie. Oh, it's then you mave Frankie. Nania. If Frankie knows one saga, man, we that presenter, which that presenter. We carry that Frank video where Frank the saga me come the fight for my case, for my own case. Who be that person? Who fight for me? Who that one be single mama no na gbe o ga wa gbon no na jun we bi e pe mi no na gbe o Thumbs up my video. I'm not insulting you guys. Thumbs up my video. Share my video. And I watch baby. You guys will be seeing me once in a while. I go right on there say now once in a while now they see me, okay? So that everybody go to see them. You understand? But as I they work, those people those it best you, they not fit stop my work. You understand? But Enogie, now me and you this year. Now me and you this year. Masan, any noji me claim me whatever me aju we claiming. Any message I message to you, yeah, the way I reverse the message back to you with pleasure. Everybody grow together. Everybody grow together. You are so stupid, Enogie. You send you a lot of imbecile, some imbecile, some idiot, some muggers. Where be said their penis Ben one kind. Send it then to me. To come and be calling me, my dear. I was a smoker when my mom was alive. I was a smoker when my dad was alive. They no say our daughter was a smoker. So I don't see the reason why you guys on social media will be drinking Panadol in my own smoke. The smoke I bought with my money. That is so shiesty. That is rubbish. Why I go use my money to buy smoke? You no go they hire me again. Why are you using your destiny to disturb the smoke I buy? Oh God damn! Oh where? You know they say you are smoking. You are smoking, my dear. It's smoking. I need to smoke and see your destiny. I need to smoke and tell you what you need to know. Are you a bomb bastard? Now you watch now I get baby. Me cigar smoker. Yata me right no gune. Eh, ik man smoker me you bell. Isa go karaju well swore. Ese go my yawe. Ese go my yawe. Oh jave ya you are so stupid. You where you me learn? Where you me learn? Omone dede koko. Esa de rave sadije. Ijo. Abi me mune dede. Agi bieme. Ije me gi bieme. Ona mume ne dede. E dede esa de ragi kamume. Ona kokome. Esa dije na mume. Ona kokome. Iya yeve kokome. Me wane. I want send no friendly boy ne before I know the mother that give birth to me. Are you a bomb bastard? Omo walk back. I'm married. I cook me one. I'm not like you, bitches. Wasek baje Nigeria gbagi wa wan ze we bopono e mite me we no nwaru gwa vi shuwe ya na mwe wa here ya na moto here mwe ya fe here just to bring you guys to Europe. At the end you guys una be like dog for Germany. Dogs bunny anyhow. Carello they push anyhow. Seriously? Now you want use me tell now you no get one second. You dey crazy. Where the real wiseness in Enogie? As a bombe we man use sense in life now. You give Enogie sense. Why is Enogie? Because Enogie needs to wise. Really? It needs to wise. Where I go with my wise? Why can't you wise that imbecile, that mugger, that idiot? Where government they carry, they put for bush to bush, they go village to village. I did for Europe. I did for Europe. I say, city. You are so stupid. You are mine. I did for camp. But my own grades, it better pass you. You know you live in this Germany. There is a two type of camp that they see. Living camp, living house. That is what a lot of people used to call living camp. Why the main camp is main camp. I live in living house. I there for living house. I'm be here for how many years? I know what I use my hand. I don't know how much I don't count with my hand since when I did this house. I don't know how much I don't pay government since when I did that my room. I don't pay many taxes since when I did this this country. What are you done? You will government give us. You will get the luck of us. What you don't do for this country? What you don't do for this country? Stupid Amoria, it best you. Those the best side where they say me that they call me. They can't help you. Can only breed disgrace upon disgrace to your generation. Because me, Avielele, I will be here. I will see the here. They see your downfall. I will see the here. They go down. Because right now you are going down. Because you're supposed to they go up, my brother. Upon not how many years you have been on social media. Upon not how many years. I never even dreamed to come to this Europe. Uda. I never dreamed to come to this Europe. You have been this fucking social media. What have you achieved? You sending people to come and be threatening me? No. All those threatening, they don't feel affect me. I'm waiting for that mate threatening me, that police issue. Now they wait for, because only one day I no smoking, the whole wide world go no say I no smoke for my house. Every day I must dine. I must smoke. I go smoke to the essence. You know I don't get boyfriend now. And that smoke be my boyfriend. Go smoke to the essence, the thing go they walk all over my veil. Then I went to bed, sleep off. The next day I go wake up, go work. Why you drinking Panadol in my house smoke? Are you a bomb bastard? Are you a stupid? It's like you are stupid. But why you are stupid? Stupid or Moria? Eat beside. Benny fucking idiot. Benny fucking dick. Hey, I get my brother. I don't get this thing for you. Men I can't listen to the juiceless black boy we sing. Come, first black boy. First juiceless black boy. Babe, you said you share my video. Eh? Hello? Hello? You share my video? You don't share my video? Well, why we swim and never share video? Give me again, my people. Listen and be blessed. How many people share? Listen and be blessed, my people. You see, I just want to play this few because you see that one where that get with me and the get they talk to each other. I send down those voice notes. I want me to go play them. May use and grow. Say me, I'll come message to you. No. Now Enogie, because you need to message to me for you to grow. Why me need to message to Enogie? Or we're not so I'm message to for you to grow to that extent. Enogie reach me. If I don't see reach the set of this Enogie reach, I will message to the people who pass Enogie. Bomb bastard, it bless you. Don't share. Merci. How many people? How many people?
That what?
What is that word? I'm coming, guys.
People that what?
Sag mal, wie war eigentlich dein Ausflug? Naja.
Share my video, guys. Share my video. Share my video. Me not let my video viral. Yes. Me not let my video viral. Enogie is threatening me. Enogie, you saw those your small threatening. I just they call on like a little baby threatening because that is why they call you baby boy. You don't get sense. Me, I know they do that kind of threatening. Me, if I want to go to Nisha you, and for me to go to my station where they near me, I go my station, yeah, carry your picture, carry your details, everything. Go give them. You go to see and cry. Me, I not be all those said to go say they go to Nisha person 100 years coming, they know they call them for court, no. My own case is different, bitch. I be Jama. Nasan, I be Jama. I be Jama. Oh, so they say, this I don't even get the comment. You don't even get the comment, my dear. Mom, I don't have a document. Now me be that person where if I get documents. Before they come carry, they give other people. Because my own case and your case are not the same. They crazy. These are they among of those who carry madam and give to police. I not they among of those who carry their generation give to police just to see documents, bitches. I'm different, bitches. Muggers. Testo. I'm inside my room, just dressing up to go to work because that day I supposed to start work around 6 o'clock, but I wake up around 4 o'clock. Yeah. So I supposed to collect post because my post, somebody who I say me they collect my post. They know they give one the post. So those people now they are coming low as 7 o'clock, they will be there. You understand? So me can call my chef that morning. Chef can say, because of me, he go reach office around 6:30. So I can't need to come my working place, say, make that they expect me 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I go reach work. You understand? So I don't dress up, I'm just inside my room smoking. Where this bedside call me. I don't dress up for work, then I they wait for the post to reach the post, because the post is very important to me. It has been there for some 2 days, 3 days before they not allow person where I say may they help me collect them. They not allow the person collect them, so I just need to wait to collect it. You understand? Before this year man called me. He called me not the listen know whether the voice go clear. No, you're telling. Even you're telling, we say don't even they don't even give me this thing for assignment. I pray me not here because no speaker. Who you be?
It's been my defense.
You talk, I be me, I cut your call. Ogbeide was ebu ewe bubu ave ye ave kia no bigo ozuo wa bigo ewe we me uwe wa the day jobless is when one every the we we is when one not depend the government wa azua me I don't come out for saga. All those who na call can never stop me. Never. You know understand? You know go stop me. So stop to the disturb your life. So me na they get rest of mind. He can't let to last sleep. They'll say Avielele, he go come at your son. He go come at your son. Jesus. Avie. Talkie, I they wash you, I they look you. You are so stupid. Even massive man, we say dig man me there. Me was sigma yege my dear. Where dig man in me there? Guania ubi buawagmo. Ey me wa live ja. Elafi me live your master we. O ma master we. Where guana we me elafi we wa live we bona. Elafi we wa live we bona. Seriously? Elafi we wa live we bona. Walking at time I de lafi me live ya. Egbegi wo we a. Eh? Are you tired? A vision ute mure wo we na mai gba ya. If you saw the moon, we are back by Hecky Bua. It was a low wag. If I'm me. If you saw the moon, we are back by Wabi Boar. Where they want who again now, what is single gay at where is war. Eh? Again now, we are a single gay. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Talk now, uwe wa gwa. Agbonu boy, ude wakbo. Agbonu boy ufiyan wo. Ozo, uwe rinyo. Jesus, Lua, na God go help all of una. Na God go help all of una because this one when me come out so. Whether I no give beg me, it no beg, it don't meet arrest me. This year na for me and Enogie. Whether una love it or una no like her. Hey, if you know say you get fed and they born you well and you grow well, you grow, you get that agility well. Ball on me on social media. I'm not there for those no number calling. You know understand? Even my white man not they use no number till they call me. I just want to pick your call. You there on record. You know, change the capiche. You there on record. See this idiot. See Munka. You are so stupid, Omoria. Gwan. Talk. Talk agbunu gbo ogbe family wonu. Agbunu gbo onu ogbe family wonu. Ogbe wani ve gieweri. Agbunu gbo wa ya fodu. Ave kiani bigo. Abolation to ni fun Deutschland. They Chris. They born you way. You calling me this kind of time. You know you fear. Oh ama mwe isago gbegbegbewe. Uwa de. Uwa hola horie be dead. Iwa vie bonwe. Uwa hola horie. Hey. Ogun ohia deju wawe. Ogun de ye gbu wawe. Egbuwa bibio deve no bibio dena. Cause egbuwa ma agboma ka megbuwa. Agboma ka menya. So nana agboma hedo megbuwa never. As why me for this 2022, I born on a family. Una family can never die way. You know understand? So all those way they talking. You know you're arrest me. You know capish? You know arrest me. Gwan agbonu gbo no abetu we gbe o gwan latian ujun we bie ko evian we gwan nia. Why are you not talking? Are you a deaf adult? Why you not dey talk? You get the feather and you want flan on me this early morning. You no fit talk. Agbonu gbo no wa de wo egbe we ya fe abibio de wa de hula horie sago de juwarere ozo imbecile. Get out of my phone. I'm through with you guys. Avielele is back for saga. You cannot stop me. Nobody can stop me. Your generation can never stop me. Fuck you. Bye. Now they call me. They use your no but they call me. What are you saying? To be chise. I am back for saga. You can't stop me. You know if you stop me. Ever since why I stopped saga, why I don't they do saga? You rest for saga. Let's do the saga together. You scared? You are so stupid. I'm ready. Anytime you wake me, I'm fully ready. This is which time you call me so. This is 5:25. 5:25, almost 5:30. What day was so? Who you be?
Okay. My God. Okay.
Are you ready to talk? All those ones who they do, no go help you now. I still remember that girl. All those ones you guys are just doing, it won't help you guys. I've said it. So you do nothing. You do no more than fucking dead rats. You got me? You see this saga where I come so nothing what I feel do. Fuck you. If you see me say I pick your call again, call your dog may bite me. You are so stupid. Who have no get agbe over here? Who are fear? A trade track of belu wa belu. Wa belu wa gbo. Trade track of belu wa beju wa bayo zuo.
Nine.
Ogun ogbeju wa gberu wa Owe press up before that. You understand? Ogun ogbije no ge gbere no ge we press up before that. Enogie we ye mention. Wa hin Enogie mention. Cause me tell we must to run I do it. A wheelbarrow track, a bicycle track, anything track in that Nigeria, it will track your mother. And that your mother will die miserable death.
My God.
You sending those Benny fucking dick, they should come and be imposing me. It will help you, bitch. It not go help you. Baby boy, it not go help you. Go collect sense. Ya wise. So merere men. Erere we magba. Erere we wag me. Erere no give me. Enogie. Who born you? Where the you say you records me. Because of mommy Vie, you no go play the record. Why play you? Why play records you? Why play record? Because a miamu do here dig boy. Umana play records. A recording we records me. A miamu do here dig boy. Who we mana play records. A recording we records me. Nekwemu e black boy no nekwemu no meti ya gwalo ma no introduce that ma no introduce no pay gwali win a black job. If free that government did not allow you to work, you can go do black job. I know a lot of people that is doing the black job and they collect better money. They are not paying the tax. The time where they fight your battle, where people go call, say, where people go, they call for Frank video that time, say, Enogie go and work, Enogie go and do this, Enogie go even at the Murphy video. You will say, Enogie go and work, this, I not call you. Me and you not talk for phone. Say me go do black job. We not talk. Say me go do black job. We talk. Say, see the way black job till they go. It's for you to know someone that will know someone that will locate you to someone that will help you out. For you to know some a good person. Eat best side. The day when you go beg Eddie Murphy, are they among of those who tell you say carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy? Let devil be ashamed. Avielele yes so. The day where I tell you now that day, now you carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy.
Okay.
Now lie no gay. Now lie.
Oh my God.
Now lie.
Okay.
All those one where they say Avielele, Enogie fight for you. Enogie fight your battle. Are you serious right now? Who am mwere regboto? Ere ruweg mia. When me Enogie? Igo every year nariye no wonder every year my dear. But a wisdom. Wa mi o wane merere. And we merere so we call her always just to advise her. You did a lot for her life. You did a lot for her life. Enogie fi your command now. Nobody tell me say me I go meet Eddie Murphy. A lot of people tell you. Avielele the exactly day where I tell you say may you carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy. Let devil be ashamed. That day now you carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy. You call here now they say Avielele say what boy say what young boy. Where send me? Very single mother Nigerian. A voice note, me voice note to where we are. I'll come play your voice no way the time reach. May you fair grow first. I say what boy oh, a single mother. Oh, Western is I say ya fair ne Enogie oh ni make me na Avielele. I say which any presenter wait don't do any hair for me. Which any presenter, which any wakwe de okay o wakwomia egbe kweran wa. That means all the years when I tell they watch saga una not they learn anything from it. Una not they remember the things when I watched last year. Everything when I watched last year they for my brain. Without I don't even play the video. Enogie fights for me. Where Frank they beat me for social media. Enogie fight for me. You are a stupid Omoria. Frank will continue to call na shower. Frank will continue to describe una bekos. And I stand by it. Nobody say no. Because now those ones, now be one stop where no get a drum and leg to saga now. Now be time for this January, this 2022. And Frank, you don't hear my voice. I don't talk to Frank. Frank don't hear me. And I even tell Frank, say, una go saga ram, but may take out. May they do another thing, they go. Enogie can't do and pass himself. Enogie can't do and say, yo, too much. My dear, which record did you say you want to play? The record, the way you say you records me. Mommy Vie got line. Mommy Vie was online video. You yourself, you did a conference call. Me, I did there also. If it was inside my room. If it is inside my room. You say you record 4 people voice. My dear brother, I go play out. Or I go hear my with social media now. What play? Or who say? You go play out, or you not go die miserable death too. You go play out, because if you not play, you must die. You must die miserable death for this social media. I don't understand. Oh, you want to? I don't understand. Oh, you want to impress with your new saga where you want carry on, where you want surround your generation. Oh, you want to impress with it? Impress me with it? No. I can only be here bullying you, bringing your useless past to you, because I believe myself. You can't see my past, my generation, my family, my blood, my senior brother, my senior sister. Wait there for this Germany. My senior brother wait there for Nigeria. He's watching you guys. He they watch you now. Okay. Me, I know. Their notification they follow now. Oh my God. Okay. If they watch you now. They say you want to go bring my mother. My dear Enogie. You have to send that best away no give birth. Whenever even miscarriage one deal, one beat. When womb they leak, you have to go tell that lady to bring my mother, to bring my history. Without that, you not go get peace. You know, so we just new enter this year. And this year now January we there. You can never get peace, my dear, because I'll give you for pieces. Now pieces I will give you. You want to try me? You want use me to do toothpick for this 2022? No look who she face. Nobody they look who she face. Nobody. Because all the battles all of us faced last year, who don't die, or a lot of people die for the social media. Last year, yeah, can't reach this year. Many head will reach this year. They're supposed to stand by themselves. They go stand by their words. Are you a bomb bastard? You sending some imbecile to come and be disturbing me. It will help you, bitch. Muggle, it will not help you. Okay. Look at you. Oh my God. Wale me with saga. What till me with saga? Because on merena. Or a problem no waware social media. Enogie merena. I won't fight other people's fight again. I will fight Enogie. Enogie, you call me for saga. I am here for you, idiot man. I am here for you. No enters. No, they say Avielele. You don't rest. Make her offend to where? No, we're not Avielele. I move for ne. Wa move for I. Wa mujum no move for the year ni amunwe. No move for the year ni amunwe. Iya ma kukoki. Iya ki kukoki na mu yere juo mu. The year ni amunwe no move for. The year ni amunwe no move for. Asis you wagi yeke. Asis you wagi yeke. Inako we me this is it. Iye we tamawe. Where anybody not draw me at this saga, I can't take it. And I so much go love and say, now you mostly Enogie. Now you draw me to this saga for this 2022. We die together. No, Hassan. We die together. Continue your saga now. Isaga tifo. Uwe mana lawa. Me lawa. Wawi. Iya mwire iyere juon. Oi mie. Avielele. Imufwa. Ne wa mufwa. Okame kanwe. Wa mufwa. Yu mufwa. Wagbon. Iyere ni tohian. Obun wenye. Iyere ni abu wenye no give because when they will say a problem we see your social media na. See disgrace you cause to a pa me ya wefi in your wepa. Go degbe ya ti o wierere. E Frank na degbe message to wiere. Add the story take go. More disgrace upon disgrace on social media. Because of you Enogie. Because of you because women wezi wono. Ama we ma nwa wo wa ishara na nwa. Okpenu ya de yegbe libia. We ma nwa wo wa media. No more danu na meriri. No more da okay go me public. You have to visit. You know the reason. You